Welcome to Devil and Dove, where creativity meets craftsmanship. Today, we are thrilled to showcase a selection of our unique handmade jewelry, each piece crafted with love and precision by Lori and her husband. Let's dive into the beautiful world of Devil and Dove creations. First, we have this exquisite vintage silver spoon ring. Its intricate designs are a testament to the timeless elegance and charm of vintage artistry. Perfect for adding a touch of vintage flair to any outfit. Next, we feature a vibrant polymer clay pendant paired with delicate lace. The blend of colors and textures creates a stunning statement piece, ideal for those who love to stand out.
In our quaint home workshop nestled in southern Ontario, my husband and I embark on a creative journey every day. With a shared passion for jewelry making and craftsmanship, we formed our small business named Devil and Dove. This name symbolizes the duality of our artistic expressions, bold and daring, yet delicate and graceful.
Here, we have another beautiful piece, a stainless steel vintage spoon ring. Its unique design is a nod to the past, reimagined for the modern wearer. This pendant showcases two stones, elegantly bound together with a wire brace. It's a perfect symbol of unity and strength, making it a meaningful addition to your jewelry collection. Explore the enchanting swirls and sparkles of this polymer clay pendant. Each detail is meticulously handcrafted, ensuring that no two pieces are alike.
Creating jewelry is more than just a business for us, it is a therapeutic endeavor. I, Lori, deal with advanced osteoporosis and COPD, finding solace in the creative process. For my husband, who struggles with agoraphobia, severe anxiety, and depression, our workshop is a sanctuary, a place where the outside world fades away and creativity flourishes. Our first pieces are a blend of vintage-inspired designs and modern twists. With my eye for detail and my husband's steady hands, we craft unique jewelry items that quickly catch the attention of friends and family. Encouraged by their positive feedback, we expand our collection.
Another gorgeous polymer clay creation, this pendant's rich hues and intricate designs make it a true work of art, a piece that truly speaks to the soul.
We are not afraid to explore new techniques. We delve into 3D design, CNC operations, wax carving, and lost wax casting. Each new skill we acquire adds a fresh dimension to our work, allowing us to create intricate and beautiful designs that stand out in the market.
Next, we present a wire-wrapped polished stone pendant. The natural beauty of the stone is enhanced by the artistic wire wrapping, making it a perfect accessory for nature lovers.
Running a business from home comes with its own set of challenges. My health conditions sometimes make it difficult to work with certain chemicals or engage in prolonged physical tasks. My husband's mental health struggles also pose challenges. Yet, every piece we create is a testament to our resilience and dedication.
Another addition to our vintage collection, this stainless steel spoon ring is both sturdy and stylish, designed to complement any ensemble.
The aesthetic of Devil and Dove's creations is a reflection of our personalities. Bold, adventurous designs that push boundaries are complemented by delicate, intricate pieces that speak of elegance and grace. This unique combination makes our jewelry truly special.
These earrings encapsulate the delicate beauty of dried flowers and resin. The stainless steel backing ensures durability, while the floral design adds a touch of nature's elegance. Adorn yourself with this rose gold-colored wire-wrapped pink stone pendant. The soft pink hues combined with the elegant wrapping make it a timeless piece. This double-disc polymer clay pendant features intricate designs and sparkling accents. Paired with lace, it's perfect for those who love unique and feminine accessories. Discover the whimsical charm of this polymer clay pendant displayed on a unicorn stand. Its magical design is sure to capture hearts and imaginations.
Setting up an online presence has been an uphill battle. We launched our store, devilandove.online, hoping to reach a wider audience. However, our lack of knowledge in digital marketing and e-commerce platforms has made this a challenging endeavor. Despite our best efforts, our store has yet to gain significant traction. We remain hopeful that with persistence and learning, we will eventually be noticed.
Experience the rustic beauty of this polished stone pendant paired with a leather cord. A versatile piece that complements both casual and formal looks. Add a splash of color to your wardrobe with this pink and purple polymer clay pendant. The gold accents give it a touch of luxury. Complete your look with this matching set of earrings and pendant. Each piece is crafted to perfection, ensuring you stand out with style.
As we approach retirement in just over 5 years, we are determined to make Devil and Dove a viable business. My husband's disability benefits will end, and we are unsure how we will afford our retirement years without a steady income. This business is something we feel must work, and we are gradually overcoming our phobias to make it happen.
Elegance meets simplicity in this wire-wrapped stone pendant, accompanied by a silver chain. A piece that's perfect for any occasion.
Despite the overwhelming task of learning various applications required for 3D printing, CNC routing, and sublimation, we continue to expand our horizons. We face each challenge head-on, hoping to achieve some success. Our dream is to master these techniques and incorporate them into our jewelry designs.
These unique glass earrings encase colorful polymer clay, creating a mesmerizing effect. Perfect for those who appreciate artistry in every detail.
Looking to the future, we are filled with hope and ambition. We dream of making Devil and Dove a successful and sustainable business, allowing us to enjoy our retirement years. Our journey is a testament to the power of creativity and resilience, showing that with passion and dedication, anything is possible.
Finally, we have this beautiful polymer clay pendant adorned with delicate floral designs. A piece that embodies the beauty and creativity of devil and dove. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our latest creations. Visit us at devilanddove.online to explore more of our unique handmade jewelry. Every piece tells a story, and we can't wait to be a part of yours.